You've probably heard that any fuel injector cleaner can boost performance, but that's dead wrong. Even a paper-thin layer of carbon on your injectors can cut efficiency by 10%, quietly wasting fuel and money every mile. After dozens of independent tests, only a handful of additives actually restored lost power. The rest? They can slowly destroy your injectors from the inside out. In this video, we're ranking the ones that work and exposing the 5 that can ruin your engine. Stay tuned, because the worst offenders are hiding behind the most trusted names. Number 13. WD-40 Specialist Fuel System Cleaner. Now, most people know WD-40 as that little blue and yellow can you can grab when your door hinge squeaks or a bolt won't budge. But WD-40 actually makes a fuel system cleaner, and it's a pretty solid option for light maintenance. This isn't the kind of cleaner you throw into a car that's been neglected for 100,000 miles. Think of it more like a preventive measure for vehicles that already run well and just need a little nudge to stay clean. Its formula isn't as aggressive as the heavy hitters like Techron or Redline, but it does a good job breaking down smaller carbon deposits in injectors and intake valves. It also helps clean up light gunk from fuel lines, keeping everything flowing smoothly. Number 12. Meguiar's Fuel System Treatment. Meguiar's is a name that's been trusted for over a century, though usually for shiny paint, not clean injectors. But their fuel system treatment shows that the same attention to detail they bring to wax and polish can also work inside your fuel system. This one's built for maintenance, not rescue missions. It's the kind of cleaner you'd use if you take care of your car, use decent fuel, and just want to make sure your injectors stay happy. The formula helps remove light varnish and carbon buildup while conditioning the fuel to burn a bit more efficiently. Number 11. Amsoil Fuel System Cleaner. Amsoil's Fuel System Cleaner sits in that premium category of additives that go the extra mile in both performance and formulation. Amsoil is known for top-tier synthetic oils, and their fuel cleaner lives up to the brand's reputation for quality. It's loaded with high-grade detergents designed to target combustion chamber carbon, sticky injector tips, and intake valve deposits. All the stuff that slowly robs your engine of power and responsiveness. What makes Amsoil stand out is the consistency. It doesn't rely on flashy marketing, just proven chemistry that keeps fuel systems spotless over time. Number 10. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is one of those names that sparks debate in every garage and online forum. Some swear by it, others call it snake oil. But here's the truth. When used correctly, seafoam actually works. It's one of the oldest fuel system treatments on the market, and its strength lies in its versatility. You can pour it in your gas tank, your crankcase, or even run it through a vacuum line. As a fuel injector cleaner, it's designed to dissolve carbon deposits and moisture that sneak into your fuel system over time. Where it really shines is with older or high mileage engines that have built up a fair amount of gunk. Add it to a nearly full tank, take the car for a spirited drive, and you'll often notice smoother idling and easier cold starts within a few days. Number 9. STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. For decades, STP has been the go-to name when you want something that just works without draining your wallet. Their Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner is one of those classic everyday driver products that's been quietly keeping engines healthy for years. It's not a miracle worker. It's not meant to bring a dead injector back to life, but it is excellent for maintenance. The formula is rich in detergents that target carbon buildup inside injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber. Used once every few thousand miles, it helps keep things flowing smoothly, especially in engines that see a lot of short trips or lower quality fuel. Number 8. Cataclean Petrol Fuel System Cleaner. Cataclean has earned a serious reputation for being more than just a fuel injector cleaner. It's marketed as a complete fuel and exhaust system cleaner. And that's not just hype. When poured into your tank, Cataclean doesn't just scrub the injectors. It also helps reduce carbon in the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, and the combustion chamber. That's a big deal, especially if your car is showing that dreaded check engine light because of an inefficient combustion or emission issues. What makes Cataclean stand out is how well it fits today's stricter emission systems. It's particularly useful for vehicles that don't see a lot of highway miles, where carbon tends to build up faster due to short, low-speed trips. Number 7. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Ask any mechanic about professional-grade fuel system cleaners and BG44K will almost always come up. This isn't your run-of-the-mill additive you grab at a gas station. It's the one the professionals use when they're trying to bring an engine back from sluggish performance or poor fuel economy. BG44K is seriously potent. It's packed with high concentrations of polyetheramine, or PEA, one of the best detergents for breaking down carbon and varnish buildup inside injectors and combustion chambers. When used correctly, it can make an immediate difference. Sharper throttle response, smoother idling, and noticeably improved acceleration. In fact, many dealerships and workshops use BG44K as part of their in-house fuel system cleaning service. It's basically the gold standard for deep cleaning without physically removing the injectors. Number 6. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple has always positioned itself as a performance-first brand, and its Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is exactly that. It's a cleaner designed for drivers who expect a bit more than good enough. This stuff is engineered not just to clean, but to optimize performance. It goes after carbon buildup with a strong detergent formula that includes fuel stabilizers and corrosion inhibitors. That means it doesn't just wash away gunk. It also helps keep fuel fresh and prevents deposits from forming again too quickly. Number 5. Lucas Oil Fuel System Cleaner and Upper Cylinder Lubricant. Lucas Oil has a reputation for one thing: keeping engines alive longer than they probably should be. Their fuel system cleaner and upper cylinder lubricant is one of the most trusted products on the market, especially among people who rack up serious mileage or drive older vehicles. What makes it special is that it doesn't just clean, it also lubricates. Most cleaners focus on burning off carbon, but Lucas adds a slick protective layer to help the upper cylinder walls and injectors stay smooth. This makes it a favorite for engines that see hard use or inconsistent fuel quality. It's also alcohol-free, meaning it won't dry out seals or damage rubber components like some cheaper cleaners can. The difference is subtle but noticeable. Your throttle feels more responsive, idle stabilizes, and over time you'll find the engine just runs happier. Number 4. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. Older engines have their own set of problems, and Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner was made specifically for them. As engines age, carbon buildup, varnish, and sticky injectors become part of the game. Gumout's high mileage formula is designed to gently dissolve those deposits without stressing older seals and components. What gives it real bite is its high concentration of PEA, polyetheramine, one of the best cleaning agents for fuel systems. This allows it to clear up clogged injectors and restore proper spray patterns, which translates to smoother acceleration and less hesitation. But it doesn't stop at cleaning. It also helps protect against future buildup by conditioning the system, especially critical for vehicles over 70,000 miles. Number 3. Liqui Moly Jectron Fuel System Cleaner. If German engineering had a smell, it would probably be Liqui Moly. The company has built a reputation on precision chemistry, and their Jectron Fuel System Cleaner is one of those products that earns loyalty the old-fashioned way, by actually working. Liqui Moly designed Jectron to target deposits specifically on fuel injectors and valves, improving atomization and fuel burn. The result is cleaner combustion, reduced hesitation, and smoother throttle response. It's especially popular in Europe, where fuel quality can vary widely and engines tend to be more sensitive to buildup. One of the best parts about Jectron is how refined it is. It's strong enough to clean thoroughly but formulated in a way that's gentle on modern fuel systems. That balance makes it great for both newer direct injection engines and older port injection setups. Number 2. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. If there's one cleaner that serious car people swear by, it's Redline SI1. This is the heavy-duty stuff, packed with one of the highest concentrations of PEA detergent you can get in a customer-grade cleaner. It doesn't just wash away carbon buildup, it melts through it. Redline SI1 is designed to deep clean everything from the injectors and combustion chambers to intake valves and even piston crowns. For engines that have been running on average or low-quality fuel for years, this stuff can make a world of difference. Users regularly report noticeable gains in responsiveness and smoother idle after just one use. And because it's so concentrated, a single bottle treats an entire tank and keeps working for hundreds of miles afterward. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus isn't just a good injector cleaner. It's the standard that every other one gets compared to. What's wild is that Techron isn't some niche boutique product. It's made by Chevron, the same company that puts Techron additives directly in their gasoline. But the concentrate version gives you a much stronger dose of the cleaning agents, particularly PEA, that make it so effective. This stuff works across the board, from small 4-cylinders to big V8s, from daily commuters to weekend toys. It targets the entire fuel system: injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, even the parts of the system you don't usually think about. It's consistently praised for bringing back smooth idle, better fuel economy, and cleaner emissions. Many drivers use it every few thousand miles as a preventative measure, and it's especially good for vehicles that see mixed driving conditions or questionable fuel quality. So if you only ever pick one bottle from this list, make it Techron. It's not just cleaning your injectors, it's keeping your engine feeling brand new, one tank at a time. But while these cleaners are effective, here are 5 that will absolutely wreck your engine if you use them. Number 5. Kerosene-Based cleaners. Ever cracked open a cheap injector cleaner and noticed that strong, oily smell? That's not detergent, that's kerosene. A lot of low-budget fuel system cleaners use kerosene as their main ingredient because it's cheap and mixes easily with gasoline. On paper, kerosene is a solvent, so manufacturers market it as a cleaner. But here's the truth: it barely cleans anything. Once diluted in a tank of gas, it loses most of its potency. The carbon buildup in modern engines, especially in direct injection systems, is way too tough for kerosene to break down. At best, it slightly loosens grime. At worst, it lowers your octane rating. And that's where the real danger starts. Lower octane leads to engine knock, that pinging sound you hear when combustion happens too early. Keep knocking long enough, and you'll end up with cracked pistons, damaged valves, and repair bills well north of $5,000. Number 4. Ethanol-Heavy cleaners. Ethanol is a powerful solvent, but it comes with a massive downside. It's hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs water from the air. Every time you pour an ethanol-based cleaner into your tank, you're potentially introducing moisture into your fuel system. That moisture doesn't just vanish, it settles in the tank and corrodes metal components. And if you drive something built before the year 2000, forget it. Ethanol will dry out your rubber seals and gaskets faster than you can say fuel leak. Number 3. Abro Fuel Injector Cleaner. Abro is one of those brands that looks trustworthy because it's been around forever. You'll find it on shelves all over the world, especially in overseas markets. But look under the hood and you'll find out why mechanics side-eye it. The main ingredient in Abro's injector cleaner isn't PEA, or even a detergent. It's number 2 gas oil, which is basically diesel fuel. Diesel was never designed to clean gasoline injectors. Sure, it can lubricate and even make the engine run smoother for a short time, but it doesn't dissolve carbon, it just loosens it. And that's a big problem. When those loose chunks of carbon start floating around, they get trapped in filters, clog injector tips, and can even block fuel lines. Number 2. Marvel Mystery Oil. Let's be fair, Marvel Mystery Oil has earned its legendary status. It's been around since the 1920s, and a lot of old-school mechanics swear by it. The problem is, it's being used for the wrong job. Marvel is an excellent lubricant, not a cleaner. It's designed to coat metal parts and reduce friction, not to dissolve hardened carbon deposits. When you pour it into your fuel system expecting it to clear injectors, all you're really doing is giving the engine a temporary, smooth feeling. That silky idle tricks you into thinking the cleaner worked, but in reality, nothing's actually been removed. In fact, the oil coating can trap tiny particles, causing injectors to spray unevenly over time. Number 1. Alcohol-Heavy cleaners. You'll find them everywhere, often labeled as fuel dryer or injector fix. They rely on isopropyl alcohol, or IPA, as the main ingredient. Since alcohol absorbs water, manufacturers pitch it as a way to remove moisture from your fuel tank. But here's the catch. Alcohol is extremely drying and corrosive to rubber, plastic, and aluminum, all materials found throughout your fuel system. Over time, these cleaners crack seals, shrink O-rings, and eat through soft components. They also strip the protective oil film from metal parts, leading to premature wear. Even worse, alcohol leans out your mixture by replacing part of the fuel with an oxygen-rich solvent. That makes your engine run hotter and increases the risk of detonation, uncontrolled combustion that can blow a hole straight through your piston crown. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.